Hello everyone, welcome to Getaroundcars online showroom. Now it's not all that often that I can say a car will give you up to 74 miles to the gallon and the road tax is only £30 a year, and that's a family size hatchback. But this one does. This is our 2014 14 plate Fiat 500L. It's the trekking, it's Multijet, which is a 1.3 turbo diesel, and it's a 5-speed manual gearbox. The CO2 rating is 114, and like I say, your road tax is only £30 a year. Now, one great feature, before we start to talk about all the other features on this vehicle, one great feature, it has anti-collision braking system. Now, what does that mean? If you're driving along the road and you haven't quite anticipated the vehicle in front slowing down, the vehicle will brake for you. Now that's wonderful for a family car. It's all done by sensors, and the sensors are up on the top of the screen. It senses that you're getting close, and if you're a bit slow in braking, it'll do it for you. Right, now let's talk about some of the other features. It has beautiful sculptured alloy wheels. The colour of the vehicle is black with a white roof. It has a panoramic, a massive panoramic electric roof, which I'll show you shortly. Beautiful headlights. Extra driving lights. Tinted glass all round. The door mirrors are capped in white. We also have side repeater indicators. Let's have a look inside. If we start on the door, you've got electric windows in the front, electric windows in the rear, electric mirrors. If we go inside, the all-important multi-function steering wheel. It comes with 2 keys. It's a 5-speed manual. It has satellite or colour satellite navigation system. Air conditioning. It's a beautiful car. Now, if we look right up to the roof, this roof is absolutely enormous. It doesn't open, but it does slide. It has an electric motor that'll give you enough light or less light, whatever you want. It's beautiful. Seats are in black and white, which matches the car. They are sporty type seats, showing the Fiat 500 logo. Height adjustment on the driver's seat. If we go to the rear, now look at the amount of space, the amount of legroom that you've got there. It's enormous. Now these seats also move forward and backward, so depending on how much load you want to put into the rear, you can adjust the back seats here. Isofix seat belts for the children, or Isofix seat fixings, I should say. Again, all colour-coded in black and white. It's beautiful. Etching on the seats. Again, those beautiful alloy wheels. To the rear, we have rear parking sensors, rear wiper. If we open up the back, Now you've got different levels. You can, put small amounts of luggage in the bottom or take that shelf out. But because the vehicle is sitting proud on the road, your range of vision is excellent. Top speed is 99 miles an hour, which is quick enough for anybody. But what a stunning motor car. Engine size 1.3, 70 odd miles to the gallon. It's unbelievable. And you'll probably find the insurance is pretty good as well. If we look inside on the passenger side here, again, everything is finished in black and white. Now, all our vehicles come with a 3-month parts and labour warranty. If you want to extend it to 12 months, you can. If you're concerned about the coronavirus, please don't worry. All our vehicles are fully sanitised for everyone's protection. Now, currently, we are offering a free home delivery service, or you can do click and collect. It's your choice. But for a family-sized vehicle, which is going to be affordable to run, this is going to take an awful lot of beating. It's not like a Mini, it's bigger than a Mini. It's not like your little Fiat 500s. This is the L, which is larger. Gives you more room inside, more room for the family. So pick up the phone, give us a call. We'll answer all of your questions. I'm trying to think if I've missed anything obvious here. There's that many things on the vehicle. It's easy to miss. You need to give us a call. So, my name is Jim from Getaroundcars, where cars cost less. Call me on 07710 85 8066. Thank you for watching.